Hey everybody, Citizen Brando here, and welcome to my channel. This is one of the few videos I'll be recording on cases in this upcoming week or two, but I really wanted to touch base on the Unicorn Beetle bag with mag stand. It is new this year with a camera control button, but we'll get into that. iPhone 16 Pro just came out, and you're probably wondering, what type of case should I get for my phone? Well, there's so many options, so many videos on YouTube you can watch. There's tons of options on Amazon. It depends on what you want in a case. Do you want something that's rugged, but not too rugged? Do you want something that has a stand, but also has a camera control button? Well, look no further. Unicorn Beetle Mag's got you. So first off, the first thing I want to talk about this case is I've been using it for a week and a half now, and I really like the case. Right now I'm using the black titanium iPhone 16 Pro, and originally I had desert titanium, which I exchanged once Apple got more stock in because I didn't really vibe with the color. I wasn't feeling it, but there's a short I have on YouTube where I had my desert titanium in this case. You can check that out on my YouTube page. But in the meantime, I am using the black titanium 16 Pro, and it does do one thing great, and that is keep your phone really snug and secure. And if you're worried about dropping your phone, this thing has 4 cushion airbags on each pocket at the end point, and it's got really good camera protection on the top. And the cool functionality is it's got a kickstand. Now, the one thing I gotta say about the kickstand is it protrudes a little more over the surface of the case, which if you're not big on feeling a flush design, then you'll like this. But if you are bothered by the indentation of the MagSafe, this might bother you. For me, I don't care. It's a case and it works. The buttons are really clicky and tactile. The up and down button and the action button is good. But my only gripe with the case that I've been having is I don't like the way that the volume and the action button are kind of like serrated together. Although you do have some texture on the top of the action button, and it is obviously smaller, but sometimes I found myself clicking the action button instead of trying to turn my volume down or turn my volume up. So it's a little bit annoying on that part, but other than that, the buttons are tactile and clicky. The power button is very tactile and clicky, just what you would expect. It feels great in the hand. The camera control button is great. When you click it once, it'll bring it up. My only concern about it is it's not as responsive as, like, say, the Apple silicone cases. It's not as responsive as the Spigen Ultra Hybrid T that I've seen tons of YouTube reviews on, and obviously a lot of people are saying it's like one of the best cases you can get. I know that the Frost Black is on back order, which I'm planning to get once it comes back in stock Amazon. If you are worried about dropping your phone, you need something that's on the go, that's not adding too much bulk, that you can use as a kickstand throughout the day, whether you're at the office or you want it on the side of your desk, you want it in landscape or portrait mode. This case is great. The kickstand is very strong and versatile. Like I said, it doesn't sit flush with the back of the case, so it just sticks on the top. But it feels like, you know, when you don't get a MagSafe case and you gotta add a MagSafe ring, it feels like that. It's not actually flush, so just keep that in mind. I do really like this case. It is not slippery, it is very grippy. If you don't like a case that shows a lot of smudges, obviously mine being a black case, it's the black smoke version, it's going to show a lot of fingerprints. So just keep that in mind when you're using this case. You're going to have a lot of fingerprints, so you're going to be constantly wiping and wiping and wiping and wiping. If you're adding the black titanium to kind of go complete ninja with this case, just keep in mind, if you do worry about dust, debris, and all that stuff, it will show on your camera rings. So obviously if that bothers you, you're going to be wiping a lot. As opposed to, you know, a simple clear case. They do have a clear option of this case, which I don't like clear cases too much, only because I know over time that they yellow, and it bothers me. So it's like, if I'm paying money for a case, I don't want it to yellow. I know a lot of companies offer warranty where they can warranty it They have lifetime warranties, but I hate that because then you got to wait for the case to come in and swap it back on, and you're constantly swapping every 2 to 3 months, sometimes up to a year depending on the case company. It just yellows. I hate yellowing cases. So if case manufacturers make like a blacked out version where even the back is like frost, or the PC at the back is clear but the sides are all blacked out, at least I know that it's going to stay black, but at least I can still see the design and the color of my phone. But that's just me. The lip protection is fantastic, more than what Spigen would offer on lip protection. So if you want lay it on the face like a surface or whatever, it'll be perfectly fine. Say you drop it any direction from like height, you'll be good. I'm not doing that. I do have Apple Care, but I am not going to drop my phone, especially considering the fact that these are like on back order. Not happening right now. But regardless, it is a great case. I really recommend this case for anybody who just wants a minimalistic, sort of rugged, on-the-go option that has the camera control and it has a kickstand. But just keep in mind, with all the points that I made about this case, that it does pick up fingerprints, it does pick up dust. The camera control is a little finicky, so you kind of have to mess around with it. Like I said, it's not as versatile as the Spigen ones and the Apple silicone cases, but it does work, and it does work well. You just got to play with it, get used to it, and then you don't even realize that it's sometimes finicky. I think this is a great option for anybody who wants a starting point case that wants to check all the boxes for protection, because it's got 15 feet of drop protection. You want something that is sort of clear but matches the color of your phone, or you want something smoked out, you want to make it look ninja, you want to make it look very good with the color of your phone, whether you got desert, natural, whatever, this case will do it. But for me, I think it works really good if you black it out with the black titanium. All in all, it's up to you. It is a great case. You can definitely see it within the case that it is situated. Taking it on and off is a little bit of a tricky thing to do. So you'll hear a little bit of squeaking, putting it in and taking it out, because it is such a snug fit. It ain't coming off. So even if you drop your phone from whatever height, it is not coming off. So all in all, SUPCASE did a really good job. I've never actually had a Unicorn Beetle Mag case before. So for me, I'm very impressed, and I will definitely say this will be my daily driver for a very long time. But I am ordering a Spigen case on Prime Day, so we'll review that. But in the meantime, Unicorn Beetle Mag is so good. I'm very impressed. SUPCASE, you knocked it out of the park. Really good case. Like and subscribe for more content. I will be recording more videos. Obviously, I am new, so please let me know your feedback on some stuff that I can improve on. And if there's anything that you would like me to review, let me know in the comments below. But all in all, thank you, and subscribe, like, and also share, and follow me on X, aka Twitter. Thank you. Have a good day.